So I will be doing the revision of motion once again. Already she has written a test already, that is over. Yeah, in your school, I'm telling about in your school. So we will have also have a test session. ఎప్పుడు షారాన్ ఎప్పుడు ఎప్పుడు పెడదాం? ఓకే. Right. So I want you to ask which topic did you feel the most uniform? Uniform motion is a very big topic. इसमें किसमें uniform circular motion you are feeling tough, right? So we'll go again with the circular motion. But the fact is circular motion is kept as a very small part of your chapter. That's why we have nothing much to discuss in that. But still you should get some logic questions where you know to understand which type of questions you can apply, how कैसे कर सकते हैं, क्या करना है. हाँ, about this we'll be seeing again. Right. ये हो जाएगा ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम. In uniform circular motion, which part you have the doubt? First you tell me. Why you thought uniform circular motion to be taught again? Which part you didn't understood? See, circular motion only I am taking. Already you know the definition of circular motion. Uniform circular motion. Sharan, once again please repeat for it. For her.
Body travels in a circular path and covers equal distance in equal intervals of time. Uniform circular.
When a body travels in a circular path and is covering equal distances in equal intervals of time, then it is known as uniform circular motion. Clear? Next, we have a concept called as variable velocity. That also I told. What is variable velocity? When the body travels unequal distances in equal intervals of time, or that is the case which goes to acceleration. Another case I told for circular motion it will come. When the body is covering equal distances in equal intervals of time, but there is a change in direction because it is a vector quantity. But its direction is keeping on changing. Like turning, I told you already. Like this it will be. Just like this, then like this, then like this, then like this, like this. 40 km/h only speed. But turning is happening. Curvilinear motion. I gave the example. Remember, open karo. You can see in the types of motion. Already in 8th class you have learnt about that. Coming to 9th class again I have made you write down what are the types of motions. Types of motion I have given you. Student, types of motion. Okay. Variable velocity, you got it now? Variable velocity given, uniform velocity given, non-uniform velocity given. Types of motion also I gave. Second page in motion. Rectilinear motion, curvilinear motion, rotary motion, oscillatory motion, vibratory motion. गिवन ना, चारों का एग्जाम्पल दिया है, ड्राइंग बनाया है, अच्छे से ड्रॉ भी किया है. From that one, the second motion, curvilinear motion. There is difference between rotary motion and curvilinear motion. I already told. There is something called as translation and rotation. translation and rotation. Then it is called as transrotation. This concept will come in 12th class actually. This transrotation will lead to the rotation of the object. Wheel of a tire taking a left turn, right turn, curvilinear motion. It don't complete the whole ring. Means whole circle it will not. If it is completing circle, this will convert into circular. If it is stopping here also, if this is the zero line, if it is stopping here also or here also, it will not be called as circular motion until and it completes one circle with a uniform radius. Radius is important. Otherwise, it will form any French curve or something, other things, other curves. Okay, clear? So, a circular motion is a part of consist of variable velocity and it is a case of uniform motion. Why? Because if you take speed into consideration, it is having uniform speed while in rotation. This is a special fact which many theories don't give clarity, but I am giving clarity why it is a part. Only this is an exceptional case. Circular motion is an exceptional case. If we go to rectilinear motion, variable velocity and non-uniform velocity will be same. It will not come under uniform velocity because there is no change in direction. Magnitude same, direction same. Uniform motion. Okay, let us come to the problem. This is something a small briefing about circular motion. So we'll have a question here. An athlete completes one round of a circular track of diameter 200 meters. Distance covered and the displacement at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds. Good question. So how you will do it? Change. I am giving you a time of 2 minutes. Do it. Do it. Karo. You said you have a doubt in circular motion. Do it. You are getting it. Do it. See, the physics will feel like you don't know. But the fact is everything is known. If you think you know, you will get know. You will know it. You will get the answer. You can do it. If you think you don't know, always afraid. Change her. Note the question, do it. రాసుకోండి రాయకపోతే ఎలా టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో ఉందని వదిలేస్తారా write it down. Shall I start doing? I'll do it for your sake this time. An athlete completes one round of a circular track. So immediately you should draw a circle, clear circle. This is a circle. And you should take a reference point, always a reference point. Let us think that it is starting from the left hand side. This is the O position. And pistol is blown. Athletes are running. Olympics देखा है? Circular track, 400 meter relay, 200 meter relay. Hima Das won in 400-meter relay. She got gold medal. Sorry, silver medal. And the fact is, now recently news came that the first medal who has won, that lady has taken some drugs or something. That's why that medal is taken back, and now it is given to Hima Das as first position. Now Hima Das is the first position gold 400-meter relay from Meghalaya. Okay.
ఆ ట్రాక్ సర్కిల్ లోనే ఉంటుందా ఇలా ఉంటుంది ఇలా ఉంటుంది
Circle ఉంటుంది.
ఒలింపిక్
Circle ఉంటుంది.
అవునా
But they have some linear flattened area like this,
అదే
and then again like this. Okay. Generally it will be like that. Why? Because if it is a complete circle, right? So the circular path helps the people to include more amount of track in small area. ऐसे भी बना सकते थे ना? Then why didn't they did like this? Right? They would have kept it like this, but why didn't it keep? There should be no change or reversal, complete reversal in direction. And another fact, there should be no interference of the tracks. That's why this design has become the best design till ever. This design. But we have a circular. No, come back to the question. So we have a circular path like this. Let us think they are running in a circular path. Circle. Of diameter 200 meters. The diameter is 200 meters, and he is running in 40 seconds. Athlete completes one round of a circle. One round means starting from O, again come back to O. That means O dash. Let us take O dash are same. So from has taken a complete one circular path, is run across a one round in just how much time? 40 seconds. What will be the distance bit covered and the displacement at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds? That means time constraint it is given. Generally distance constraint gives. No, time constraint is given. After certain time, how much he will run. So you know that after completion of one round, the displacement is 0. The displacement is belonging less than 1. So only one round ke andar. Right? We have to cover the distance. So let us take a consideration of distance. So now we are taking distance. So solution for it. Now you see. First, distance traveled in one round, how much? 2 pi r. Now, or you can write pi 2r equal to d, so you can write pi d. You don't know?
ఓ డయామీటర్
You know no? Happy. Very happy. So okay, it's a diameter. So you keep the diameter of track field equal to 200 meters, right? So you have distance traveled in one round equal to pi into 200. So pi, how much you are taking in this case? It is 200 multiple, so you can take 3.14. That is better, right? It will give you good answer. You should take selection is important. 3.14 into 2 you will get 6.28, right? 628 meters. Okay, the answer for distance traveled in one round. Now how many rounds he has traveled, don't know. The time taken, t equal to 2 minutes 20 seconds. So how many seconds totally?
140
Clear? Now total time taken. Total time taken equal to 140 seconds. Time for one round equal to 40 seconds. Number of rounds how much? T by time for one round. Ti, let us take it. Time for one round. So 140 by 40. So you are doing 2, 7 by 2. It is 3.5 rounds. Clear? So 3.5 rounds he is doing. So 3 times he is taking a rounds in this direction, and finally he is concluding here at 3.5. मतलब third one हो गया, then again half. So he will end here. Okay. This is the end point, finish point, F point, finish for him. Till now clear or any doubt is there? Pakka na? So 3.5 rounds. So distance traveled in total distance traveled equal to distance for one round into number of rounds. So how much distance for one round? 628 into 3.5. 3.5 you can write it by 7 by 2 for calculation purpose. Calculation. Already we have na 7 by 2. 314 into 7. How much? So answer is 2198 meters, which means 2 kilometers 198 meters. He is running. Is the distance traveled by him, right? Now what is the displacement? Now the concept is, now the second question asked is displacement. So displacement is what? Shortest distance between initial and final. So what is the shortest distance between initial and final? O to F. So O to F is the shortest distance. You can see on the plot, you can see for displacement, no need of calculations. It is a visual proof on the plan. This is the plan. You can see what is the shortest distance. So OF is the shortest distance. So shortest distance equal to the diameter. Yes, correct, Sharon, correct. 200 meters. Okay, 200 meters is the displacement. And answer is this one for distance. So you can write down clearly. You can write down after that the distance equal to 2198 meters, displacement equal to 200 meters. This is the problem. Clear? This is a simple problem given like this, half round. Sometimes they will tell 1/4 round he stopped. Then how you will do the distance? For that much you will calculate into that ratio 7 by 4 or 8 by 4. This will come 13 by 4 will come. Right? 3 rounds, 4 3 is 12. 1 left, 13 by 4. This into 13 by 4 you will do. Displacement how you will do? It is also fine. So displacement it will be, you will learn in the mathematics circle chapter. I will teach you later. Yeah. This is the point. It will become the chord. Correct, chord. Will become the chord. This point will become A. Then that point, if it becomes A, then you have to find this distance, length of the chord. Okay. And this also you will connect. You know this is 200 meters. Okay. And this is the center. then this will become the radius, this will become 100 meters, this also will become 100, so this will become root of 200, that means it will become 100 root 2. By using Pythagoras theorem you will use it and do it. This is how you will do. Simple maths, you have to apply maths. Clear? Root 2 value is 1 point, root 2 value is how much? 1.732 into 100, you will get 173.2 meters is the displacement if it is 3 1/4 rounds. Clear? I have given you such type of examples which will come in examination, which can come, and you are preparing for IIT, JEE and NEET. NEET you are preparing, right? Medical NEET you are preparing. These types of problems will come. बच्चा तो डायरेक्ट ये थोड़ी पूछ देगा, और yes, these types will ask. You have to apply kinematics here, use mathematics to solve the answer. That is how you will do the problem. Clear? So in the next part you are clear with circular motion now? डाउट नहीं है ना? हो गया ना? फिर से एक और बार दिखा दिया. ऑलरेडी वो उस टाइम में एक प्रॉब्लम किए हमने, किया हम लोगों ने. Again we are doing this one today. Okay, copy it, note down this, and then we will go for the next part. That we are left with numericals of graphical representations and equations of motion. Both karo. If you do that only, if you don't complete that, I will not move forward to the next chapter. That's for sure. Okay, done. So we'll go with the problems of the next one. So I request you to go to the exercise part. No, Sharon, take your book. I'll give this one. Huh? No, it's not possible. Tomorrow also we will do this, na? How it is possible? Otherwise we have to sit like this. How the concept we did, na? Everything 4 hours, 6 hours, like that we have to sit and do. Option is here. This is not possible right now, especially. You have exams. That's why I'm telling you. From Tuesday onwards, we will have tomorrow Monday onwards, we'll have a full scale session, complete session. It's not a big problem.
ఇంకా మ్యాథ్స్ ఉన్నదా మళ్ళీ తర్వాత?
మ్యాథ్స్ ఇప్పుడప్పుడే కాదు, తర్వాత. Okay. Tell. What are all the problems? First curve, straight line. What is a curve? It is velocity time curve. Velocity time curve is straight line. Velocity time curve straight line means it is having uniform acceleration curve. Correct. రాసేసారా? అక్కడ రాసుందా?
మోషన్ అని రాస్తారు ఇక్కడ.
తప్పది. యూనిఫామ్ యాక్సలరేషన్ కర్వ్. How can you tell that it is uniform motion? It's a velocity time curve. In BT curve, velocity is changing. How it is called a uniform motion? You are getting my point? When the velocity is changing, is it a uniform motion? No. When the body is covering unequal distances in equal intervals of time, that's why velocity is changing, right? So it's a uniform acceleration curve. Acceleration is constant. Next one.
యూనిఫామ్ రిటార్డేషన్.
Retardation. It's a retardation curve. Retardation is enough. Third one, a curve parallel to x-axis in a velocity time. What is it? Velocity is constant, so it is a which type of curve?
Uniform.
Uniform motion. Correct. Write it.
Uniform motion andala constant velocity.
Uniform velocity or uniform motion, whatever you write, all are correct only. Uniform motion includes constant velocity. लिखा है ना? All 16, 18 curves I gave. You show it. See all the 18 curves.
Next page unndi.
हाँ यहाँ से है ना?
Next page lo unndi.
हाँ next page. Okay. This is,
Distance time velocity.
these all are distance time curves. These are our velocity time curves. Distance time, velocity time. So those are all whichever given in the textbook as problems are all velocity time curves. So this page you should refer everything. You are remembering? उस टाइम में फटाफट जवाब दे दिया. हाँ अभी ढीला हो गया. क्यों? These two extra. Right? After this, what is it? We did an experiment on Yashwantapur Howrah train. Okay, we did it. Sharon, you told you will do the graph and everything for Gatiman. You did it. I'll see. Do it. We can publish it. Do it. చేయండి. When August 7th is the submission date for Sharon Gatiman Express research.
నా స్కూల్ హోంవర్క్ చాలా ఉంది.
మరి ఎప్పుడు రాస్తారు? నేను వారం రోజులు క్యాప్ ఇచ్చా.
టైం అది నాకు చాలలేదు.
ఎందుకు చాలలేదు? వారం రోజులు కూడా సరిపోలేదు.
సైన్స్ 4, కెమిస్ట్రీ 2, మోషన్ ఫిజిక్స్ 2. English exam everything I did not fit the notebook. English కూడా 2 lessons. Maths 2 lessons. Graphs తో సహా. Maths after coordinate geometry everything.
After coordinate geometry?
I did everything in school notebook.
You show your tuition notebook to the school
Correction ఉంది
notebook.
కదా. You did the correction.
You can try to finish. It's not sure that we can finish. You can try to finish.
You are here only now.
I will be here. But you have a test you are telling me. That is my
పర్వాలేదు ఏదో ఒకటి రాసిస్తాను.
ఏదో ఒకటి రాసేస్తారా? ఇంకా అందులో ప్రాబ్లం
పక్కన
లేదు.
పెట్టుకొని రాస్తాను.
Don't do such things. Please.
లేదు అంటే ఒకసారి చదివితే నాకు ఐడియా ఉంటుంది దాని మీద.
Then it's okay. So start doing the problems from here. Next the fourth curve. Stepped curve. Correct. Yeah. Step curve.
అంటే దానికి ఏ వెలాసిటీ వస్తుందని చెప్పలేదు.
There are 3 types. One is velocity is increasing. That means acceleration. Uniform velocity. Again deceleration. The curve is like this. You can see here.
అంటే
The curve.
కంప్లీట్ గా వేరియబుల్ వెలాసిటీ కూడా కదా.
అలా కూడా కాదు.
ఓకే.
You can see here the velocity. You are able to see, na? The velocity in a step curve is like this. Now this is the velocity curve. Velocity. This is time. Now what is happening? Here the acceleration is happening. Velocity is changing, na? Acceleration happening. This is the acceleration positive area. This is acceleration equal to 0 area. Why? Uniform velocity. Constant. Again here acceleration equal to negative area. Deceleration. Clear?
Acceleration. Then flex. Clear? Perfect.
Step curve.
This is called a step curve. This is a step curve.
Step curve. Idi?
It's written here, na? You can see here. Elastic is acceleration, deceleration. Step curve. You take it linear. Okay, variable also you can take, but step curve will be like this only. Case of step curve will come like this only.
Idi step curve.
That is also a step curve, but it is a partial step curve. Means staircase type, na? It is a partial step curve. Also a step type only, but partial step type. Like zigzag, how this came, na? This is zigzag,
Zigzag.
but this one is partial step curve. That means staircase type. It is in the type of staircase. See here. First you are like this. Acceleration, deceleration, acceleration constant. There is no case of deceleration. This we generally use in car models. I told you. We are applying acceleration, leaving it. Whenever you put your leg on the accelerator, means you are having an accelerated motion. Immediately you are removing. Why? You feel that there is some obstacle coming. You will not apply brake. You will leave it.
Yes.
Indian psychology especially will go till that person तब तो ब्रेक नहीं लगाएगा, ऐसे बैठेगा जाएगा आराम से. जब तक वो सामने आएगा वो सोचेगा अरे ये अभी हट नहीं रहा है. If I don't apply brake, I will hit him. Then he will apply brake. Till that time it will be in constant case. This acceleration 0. No accelerator, moving with uniform velocity. Naturally it will reduce the sprays due to friction. Already you know what is a friction, right? That case you will go for and you will learn about that later. In higher classes. Already I told you F equal to mu into N. Natural resistance. All that is a cause. We will come into cause when we deal about cause. Okay, cause cases we will learn that. This is just kinematics, we will do it. So partial step. Next one. Zigzag. Clear hai wo. Next one.
Uniform velocity or
That is distance time. No, it's velocity time. It's velocity time. How can it be constant velocity when it is having a straight? This and this are same. So same.
uniform acceleration.
Acceleration.
Okay.
Do it. Next one. Next curve. Retardation.
Retardation.
Non-uniform retardation. Non-uniform retardation. When the curve is coming like this, down. Non-uniform retardation. हो गया? So, okay, next go to the next one. Next topic. What is this? చేయండి అవన్నీ చేయండి. So let us go to the seventh problem once. Seventh one, 7, 8. 8 करते हैं. I want you to do the 8th problem. 8th problem I will do it on the board. So from the next one, home assignment onwards, can you do it? Home assignment, homework. कर लो.
Homework.
చేసుకోండి చేయలేరా?
Homework.
What is the time now?
Because already
6:40. So I will end the class this question. Further, you do sit here, do it. If you have doubts, I will tell you.
Show me WhatsApp. I will do something.
Home. Dekha? That is the spirit. I know Shreya will do it.
Because sitting here and doing okay, but at home we can in between study social also, and if not mode of social then physics.
One more fact I am telling Sharon. Your objective is to get
Understand properly.
your objective is NEET. You are studying to crack NEET. That should be your. Second, for that I am teaching. I am telling the concept which is basically required. Must and should. And somewhere I go depth. Might be that is useful or not useful. अभी नहीं तो 12th class में it is पक्का useful. 100% useful.
Overheating.
हाँ?
Messages came of overheating.
It happens. No problem. Okay. So I will do that problem for you. Read the problem. Sharon, read the problem.
A car moves with a uniform velocity of 25 meters per second for 5 seconds.
Uniform velocity. It is moving
25 meters per second
25 meter per second
for 5 seconds.
for 5 seconds. Time equal to 5 seconds. For 5 seconds it is moving with that. Next.
The brakes are then applied and the car comes to rest with uniform retardation in 10 seconds.
Then immediately there is some person. That means you can see the graph. The object is moving with uniform velocity and suddenly there is a brake being applied. So this is a VT curve.
Uniform retardation in 10 seconds.
Uniform retardation in 10 seconds. Uniform retardation means like this. It is happening in 10 seconds. So from this point till this point it is going at 5 seconds. This is 5. This point is 5. This point is 5. In the next 10 seconds or 10 seconds?
10 seconds. And it's 10 seconds.
Read it again.
A car comes with uniform velocity of 25 meters per second for 5 seconds. The brakes are then applied and the car comes to rest with a uniform retardation 10 seconds.
In 10 seconds, huh? In 10
In
seconds.
10 seconds.
So 15. This gap is 10 seconds. Now uniform velocity, this is comes U, initial velocity. Final velocity how much? V equal to 0 meter per second. Okay.
Yes.
Now what is the time taken here? 10 seconds. The car moves for 5 seconds. The brakes are then applied and the car comes to rest. Uniform retardation in 10 seconds. Draw a velocity time graph and use it to find whatever it is asked. Draw a uniform velocity graph. This is the graph I have drawn for this. I will draw it much neatly so that you can understand much better. So I have drawn till here. Okay. This is the uniform velocity curve. This is 25. It has come to 0. Right? This is V. This is T. Or this is the VT curve. Next curve, what it is asked to draw?
Draw velocity time graph and use it to find the distance which the car had travelled before brakes were applied.
The distance before
Brakes were
distance travelled before brakes. Distance travelled before brakes means this area we need. Because area under VT curve gives distance. Already I told na. Due to that only we derived the equations of motion. Second S1 S equal to ut plus half ad square. We derived using that only that day. So the area under the VT curve is nothing but VT curve gives the distance. So the distance S1 you take it as equal to area of, you name it, O, A, B, C, D, area of OA, BC. What is the area? Velocity into time. What is the velocity? 25 into time. Time is for 5 seconds. 25 5 is 125 meter. Now, what is second case asked?
The retardation.
Yes, next is asked is retardation. Retardation is acceleration. Is nothing but acceleration negative. So how much retardation it is coming? He is asking. Now we have retardation at BD. At BD zone. How we will get the retardation? U equal to 25 meter per second. V equal to 0 meter per second. The time it is taking is 10 seconds. 15 minus 5, 10 na? Is given 10 seconds in the question. Next what else it is given? What else we need? We have the formula for acceleration. Acceleration equal to V minus U by T, which you have. So what is V? V is 0 minus 25 divided by time. Time is 10 seconds, which is 25 minus 25 by 10, which is equal to minus 2.5 meter per second square. So the retardation is 2.5 meter per second square. Acceleration is minus 2.5 meter per second square. Acceleration you should always represent negative. Why? Because it is a retardation part. We are asking retardation means we are giving the magnitude of retardation.
Okay.
Over. Okay. Note down this. Remaining problems you do. Tomorrow when we start the class, you need to finish this exercise so that we will do the next one we will do. ఇవి చేసేయండి ఇక్కడ రాసేయండి ఇవన్నీ ఏమేమి కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్స్ అనేది ఆప్షన్స్ టికింగ్ do it and then we will, when you tomorrow's class when you come, we will be doing this part, this one, this exercise.
Okay.
This is the most important exercise, equations of motions. Using equations of motion, those 15 problems tomorrow we need to finish off. If we finish tomorrow those 15 questions, done with this chapter, and then we will start the physics next chapter accordingly.
ఈ క్వశ్చన్ కూడా రాసుకోవాలి.
ఏ క్వశ్చన్
ఈ క్వశ్చన్
రాసుకోండి, క్వశ్చన్ రాయకండి, డైరెక్ట్ డూ ది ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. ఆల్రెడీ యూ హ్యావ్ నాట్ ఇన్ ద టెక్స్ట్ బుక్, యూ కెన్ డైరెక్ట్లీ డూ ది ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. See, you Sharon, we have in-text problems, in-text questions are there. We have exercise problems of textbook NCERT. That also we will do it, but later. Now we are having the pressure of school, na? So that's why I am not going in much deep. Means I am not pressurizing you. See how simply this problem is very simple. These very simple problems. These are nowhere big depth.
No, when we read the question, it is very tough. But
Read.
after starting doing it becomes simple. So in exam, that is why my mind is
No, in examinations, I am telling you, in examinations, the most best trick of getting marks is break the question into parts. First, you have to understand the English given in the question. Most people don't understand there, they fail there, that's why they can't do. So first you should understand what is given in the question, that's why read the question perfectly. Don't bother about time. If 2 questions you have lost with time, it's not a big matter. If 98 questions you have read it and perfectly did, it's great. You will get 98 full. Right? I am telling. So like that you should become. Later on we will go for speeds and everything. ये थोड़ी बैंक एग्जाम चल रहा है जैसे कि एकदम दनादन खत्म कर देना है नहीं ना. That type of answers if I give you will not understand. Directly only answers I will be giving. 40 seconds, 35 seconds. Okay, that's all with the class. Done, huh? Happened, huh? Okay, done with the class. So tomorrow we'll meet again with problems on equations of motion, and then we will go with the, in the third class we will be going with the,
New chapter.
yeah, exactly, new chapter, that is cause. Force is a cause. Force is a cause.
Laws of motion.
This is all just the internal property. This is just a property, but that is a cause. This is a reaction. This is action. This is the inference. What is the outcome of the force? Outcome of the cause. But without learning a cause, this is no use. Kinematics is no use until kinetics acts on it. So we'll go with the kinetics part next, and we'll have a lot of theory there. Newton's laws of motion. From there onwards, please pay more attention. Already I am very happy with the way you reacted in the first this chapter class. Okay, we went in very good depth. We did lot of experiments, we did activities, we spent 4 hours of time continuously. I am very happy with that. But still coming to next chapters onwards, we need more attention, more interest,
Okay.
more everything more. That's why इतना तक तो कर पा रहे. ठीक है? That's all for today. Thank you.
Or
You can.